Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the MixMob token. Ticker symbol is MXM, and this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing February 1st. This was just announced, and we're going to go over the information on the MixMob token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, MixMob just unveiled their token design and staking program. This is in a Medium article that you could check out at mixmoborigin.medium.com. So, MixMob just unleashed turbo arenas as well, a new way for raiders to turbocharge their rewards in the universe. The token here, so they have two different tokens, it looks like. They have the SUD token, SUD $, and then the MXM token. So this is the MXM token is the governance token, and the other one is the SUD token is the in-game currency. But anyways, this token just got a brand new central exchange listing starting February 1st. This token will be listed on BYBIT, it says. So if you don't have a BYBIT account, you could download BYBIT from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or get it on your PC. Then on February 1st, it says deposits and withdrawals will be available via the Solana chain, and this will be in the trading platform. The spot grid bots function will be available. And yeah, you can check out all this information on BYBIT's Twitter at BYBIT_official, or you can check it out, their listing announcements. They're most likely retweeting them on their own Twitter as well here at MixMoborigin. I'm going to put that Twitter on the screen here. And you can see it's a very well-established project, 72,100 Twitter followers. It says, world's first card strategy racing game. Race, win, stake. It says, from the team behind FIFA and Halo, backed by, and then there's a bunch of different ones there. And then they have a full link tree right there that's basically going to take you anywhere you need to go. So this is the initial listing, their first exchange listing for the MXM token. They announced this in their pinned tweet here is talking about that. So check out all the info on this Twitter here. All the links are going to be on that link tree, take you anywhere you need to go. On the link tree, you can check out a new thing here. It says Chapter 6 unlocked, MXM token launch. Be fast, be early, be rewarded. There's a section on that there. And then they have where you can actually play MixMob, the racer game there. It says play for free, PvP is live. You can join all sorts of different socials they have on there as well. You can also, at the very bottom, you can buy, sell, trade MixMob NFT. So all the links are going to be on that link tree right there. But yeah, the MixMob universe is powered by two different tokens here, the MXM and SUD $. So it says our crypto gaming ecosystem allows players to compete for crypto through competitive gameplay and then compound their winnings to further increase their rewards. The system attracts more players and benefits token holders. So MXM is the governance token to operate the league and incentivize players to race, buy premium items, participate in turbo arenas, that's what I mentioned earlier, and use various DeFi methods to collect more. And then the SUD token, or SUDs, however you want to pronounce it, the in-game currency that is used to collect winnings, buy items, and participate in gameplay mechanics. In addition to collecting tokens by winning races, players can participate by holding tokens for the following reason. Number 1, revenue sharing. Receive part of the revenues collected by MixMob, and referral rewards. Bring in players to your arenas and collect SUDs and MXM, and governance. Shape the future and rules of the league, turbo arenas, and crews. So they also have new introducing turbo arenas and pit boosts. So Racer 1 turbo arenas are where players compete. In the token economy, they are mixed mobs versions of liquidity pools and offer the following features. Number 1, arena revenues. So turbo arenas generate revenue in the following ways. There's entry fees, and then there's spectator rewards, where they can vote on which car they think they're going to win. So there's different ways to earn some fees there. And then there's racing in the turbo arenas. Then there's sweepstakes. There's staking. You can stake both of the tokens, it says. You can stake SUDs and MXM in turbo arenas and claim a portion of the arena revenues. Boost your tokens by staking additional MXM, collecting yields and SUDs, and compounding your tokens. So the pit boosts, you can collect special NFT pit boosts when your turbo arena tops the leaderboard. These pit boosts are special NFTs that give gameplay effects. The bigger liquidity provided, the more powerful the boost. Trade or sell them. Turbo arenas compete against each other based on overall performance, winnings, and MXM staking. There's monthly leaderboards that offer higher rewards. And yeah, then there's the governance, huge guide on how to get involved with governance. So basically, I mean, this is just one Medium article talking about their new token that's coming out here February 1st on a central exchange, BYBIT. But then there's so much more Medium articles as well, so much more information on their webpage, mixmob.io. Just tons of links in this link tree here that you can check out. So go check it all out. Let me know in the comment section down there, what do you guys think about MixMob and the MXM token? Do you guys think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. If you want to stay really up to date, hit that bell and then you'll be notified when new videos come out. Hit that notifications bell up there, and then as soon as new tokens come out and I make a video on them, you'll be notified about them. So that's a great way to stay up to date about new tokens. And yeah, check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.